Hi fellas, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of being here, you're welcome, and to my returning subscribers, you are the best. So in this video, I'm going to be showing us how we can make carrot and turmeric oil and body butter. First of all, we'll be needing our carrots already washed and turmeric already washed. Now, this is a sign that you should not throw away your carrots, even if it's drying up or it's not fresh anymore. Like my carrots, I've had it for a while and I was running out of time, so I had to make this video in a hurry. First of all, we'll be peeling off the back of the turmeric and carrot and dice them into small pieces. You can also grate, but because my carrot is not so strong and fresh, I can't grate it. So I'm cutting it, dicing it into small bits, and then we will blend afterwards. So if you have been following my channel for a while, you'll see that I'm in love with turmeric and carrots because of their numerous benefits for the skin. So we've washed the carrots after dicing. We'll allow it to sit for about 10 minutes for it to drain, and then we will blend. We're blending both of them together. Now we'll be blending with oil because we want to reduce as much moisture as possible. This is 250 mils of coconut oil. We're going to be blending with it. So just pour it into your blender and head straight away to blend. Carrots and turmeric are rich in vitamin C. They help fade scars, bring out your glow, moisturizes your skin, and they have anti-aging properties. They are also anti-inflammatory. So this combination, it's a power combo. In fact, it's magic. So at this point, the next is supposed to be double boiling, but I tried it and I was not paying attention and water got into it. At the second thought of it, it still has moisture, so it's okay to skip the double boiling and put it on your pan immediately. You fry until it is this color. Please don't let it burn. Even though they are packed with vitamin C, but we don't want to lose any more of it. So here we're sieving with a muslin cloth, or you have a cheesecloth or a filter. Now if you look closely, you find out that there was a bit of water inside of this oil. Like I said, water got into it when I was trying to double boil. So what we'll do is to sieve out the oil as much as we can without water getting into it. At this point already, you have your carrot and turmeric oil as easy as ABC. You can add this to your lotion, your body butter if you have. You can apply it directly on your skin every day to get maximum benefits from this oil. Before the next step, I had to reduce the quantity of oil so that it won't be too much. Then to proceed to the butter, we're going to be using shea butter. I'm going to use the same measurement for the coconut oil. The cup is 250 ml. I'm using the same measurement for this butter. Right away, you turn it into the oil and allow to melt in a hot water. Now I'm not putting it directly into heat anymore because it's just for the butter to melt. I'll just put it in an already boiled water in a pot and allow it to dissolve. I'm going to be putting up the benefits of shea butter. In case you're not the type that uses shea butter, you are missing out. Like shea butter has innumerable benefits for your skin. It's very, very important for you to incorporate it in one way or the other. It has benefits for hair and skin. After this step, we'll allow our oil to cool. I refrigerated it for about an hour and 20 minutes, and this is what I have. Next is to blend with a hand mixer. This is very fast. But then I allowed this to freeze so much, so I had to melt it a little so that it's easy for me to blend it because it was too hard. And here we are. I lost some of the footage because of the back and forth, off and on. So this is how it's going to look like when you start blending it or you start mixing it with a hand mixer. You mix it so well that it becomes very fluffy and full. Please, I forgot to add, try not to use stainless, especially when you're using an electric equipment, to reduce the possibility of shock. I was in such a hurry. And also, wear your hand gloves. Turmeric is like a coloring substance so that your hand doesn't get all yellow, orangey color. Just try to, cover your hand as much as possible. So right about now, I'm adding the things that I want to add, and this rose hip oil. I'm using a tablespoon of rose hip oil. Afterwards, we'll be adding our vitamin E. I use three of this capsule, three of it inside of this mixture. This is fragrance. Because of the smell of turmeric is very strong, so I'm putting a bit of fragrance to loosen the smell. After this, I'm going to be adding a little bit of preservative because I'm not sure of the if the amount of water in it is negligible. But just to be on the safe side, I don't want my butter to go bad. So I'm putting a bit of. Yeah, we have our butter ready. You can freeze, to keep at room temperature. The weather is quite hot. And this is what it looks like when it is solidified. This is the remaining carrot and turmeric oil that came out from the whole process. That's what you can see there. So this is very easy to use. It absorbs so well into your skin, even though it has a bit of stain retention. But once you rub very well and wash your hand, you're good to go. Thank you for watching.